Today we're going to fly the first prototype of the Lancair 235. I'm Will, and this is Flight Sticks.
Hotel Papa, apart maintain VFR 0140. For Hotel Papa.
Tail heavy. See all that whoopity whoopity?
Yeah.
Yeah, tail heavy.
We should have thought about bringing some ballast or something here.
Yeah, the grass is definitely wet, but I put some tape all over the bottom end just as I figure something. Yeah, I put the camera ever so slightly forward, hoping that would fix that problem, but I'm going to have to remove the battery hatch. Let's put the throttle cut on there. Throttle cut, so if you accidentally hit the throttle on your transmitter, you don't cut your fingers off.
So what is that? A physical thing?
Yeah, this is throttle cut is on. If I throttle cut off, if I accidentally hit the throttle, the prop won't spin.
I thought you did some physical lock on the motor.
No. So, I don't think I want to try it again like that. It was flying very, very bad. You know what? Well, it's square. Let's give it one more go.
Let's give it one more go.
I mean, it really seemed to me that it was tail heavy, right? The way it was
put
flying.
some kind of ballast on it.
Well, there's this line on the bottom. That's the center of gravity. So,
Piles of rocks in the nose or something.
well, if I hold it upside down right there, it should balance. It's kind of hard with the wind. It used to be done indoors, but my fingers are about a ½ inch behind where that line is. So that tells me it's tail heavy. I usually use the Wellguard motors from Grayson Hobby. This is a cheap Chinese motor. Just, you know, when I'm doing prototypes, the first time or two, I do the cheap one so I don't ruin my good Wellguard motors. So it's definitely underpowered, but the gist of is if it's going to fly or not.
I guess the answer is not. But we haven't destroyed it. We'll be able to.
Well, it is now. See look at the angle of the tail.
Oh.
That's why I didn't want to design it like that. But I got in a hurry and I cut this short. But this should be continuing all the way down to make a box structure all the way down, at least to the front of this here. That's one of the problems when that happens. Because, yeah, you don't want to just glue two pieces together. That's a big no-no. But I got in a hurry and, well, that's what happened. So I guess that's the end of this one. Have a good one. Later on. It flew better that time, didn't it?
It did.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, little from the Dave. Well, way back when I started this, we put the throttle cut on it. I was gonna say, yeah, let's unplug the battery first. Yeah, way back when I started this for the Electro RC 10 years ago, there was someone else called Dave Powers. I think the channel was called RC Powers, and he had a what was it? An Extra 300. That kind of. I don't know where he originates, but right before he stopped making YouTube videos, he moved up here to Oregon, and we started talking, and we were gonna, you know, come together with our YouTube channels, and he got into something else. He wanted me to do that with him, but I didn't like it. It was some kind of multi-level marketing or something like that. I was like, no, I'm not into it. Good old Dave Powers. I remember you, Dave. I remember.